Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in same TVGH so what friend me Ajoa set him.
Yeah, but for me chamo. Munya when breakfast near. Me pancho me ko video bi mra sesia. Na yeni ho nkomo. Stay tuned.
Tudwene mu no bompa ya. Ya na odoman Ghana ahenya koponsa. Titiru and His Excellency the President John Dramani Kwame Mahama. Na me no kroni. Papa ni bodwuma. Nti nya wonwa sa manfo kase woye the second coming of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Enya wonwa. Hwe Iraq ni si Iran fo ntoko obuni America fo nya yini Israel yenya ya. Yimwenu mu bi busi se fu ebu obokosoro ebokose 17 mu busi no. Wo nse papa no wo tukwan akọ amono ne. Mino kase kro nya mai. Die no kwako ye kura no o kura. Korea na kura. Eu sei que viu Korea. Korea na papa no. Treze. Papa no ko pe fanwo e dia bro mai.
Yeah, me nyanum kana fo. We de mesre mu. Se ya me anya amra nkrofo bi ho no mo a. Ombe sole be kan kwase asema afọ mu ho adi. Just because of the ombedi nti. Say pa cho enene da uhu mi say nti me kan bibi na sanyo da busana da chame. Hey Wayosi se wan hwan. Wanim je fuse Prako a wa foforo wate. Wanim afuse de ukoto bo so. Wanim se de do true mo wate. One is a second coming of Kwame Nkrumah no. Wayosi unim Kwame Nkrumah. Unim Kwame Nkrumah. Uchese ukọwi onkwasi ansa kọwi onkwasi anam no ekonya onkwasi ayale na adwo Mahama beto eduma wonti wa adwen ni se Mahama hwe Ghana fo nyina ohun omom koye machine work omom koye filling station adwuma omom koso blocks omudo musika koto application fee se ba be form force work ne ne eni se aban adada omadwo musika kakra sho motomadi no asa pam mo akogu fie no sika na Mahama de bro ne sense sika na meboa se Mahama betu medical bill se Mahama hwe Ghana fo nyina ohun masa so anya sa nkwasi asem na so la ngopɛ adwuma nya ba this time wo da mpaso ke kan kwasi asem si ko fancy life ne bia ni enu bi na fifi abi kan no munya de mu bedi ntini nkwasi asam nkwa na hwe prepared am photo hwe water am photo ya hwe university fees and hostel fees am photo ya hwe kwa adwo Mahama edi Ghana for nam so hwe wi Ghana for nansia first work application mu abegya be kan kwasi asam say second coming of Kwame Nkrumah woni Kwame Nkrumah what do you know about politics enya Ghana ne ho fu na wo bibi tse wo ye be for celebrate wo enko no du dwom stupid guy say second coming of Kwame Nkrumah that ama hwan na ebosi fu na ye to so ya ntiso se otobi hwan na ebosi mo so na mo konko pa dwuma anye de mu bedi ntin kwase akeka nkwa what do you know about politics what do you know ti wi ni yete say Korea kwa wo si Koran oba wi aso what country afani Koranda oba wi aso what country afani Koranda wo ba be ka politics masem just because of say koto nura amount ya wa boda mo ate what do you know about nation building fuck off fa kwasa sem free kwa na hwe ni mo ate ya ni abre o munya sansem funa mudi no ne krono na aban ne bo Ghana na ye ka wo be jabe twe cameras we ni say second Kwame Nkrumah how do you know about Kwame Nkrumah Korea kwa wo si Koran wo be ka mamu nsem what if ho bra wa boda mo ate
ma take you over because you go preparatory school no you tell French you tell certain subject Saitoni ni yen kire no it's omo ba you keka grade ni boma form 1 form 2 form 3 ubon say e bia na bon private school for no didi animu
yeah
asante yendu form 3 Saitoni no onye establish nyina no ohunu ne
be used to we no new system
majority dem who school nya majority omna na be ye head of school prefect no yes, I'm telling you but condition I find who are they ba no enye easy e do tira do twum kanu mu a na po kanu mu a na eboa no na wonte na nka me ba po beda akoprempe afi o TV ensi Louis 4 years bourgeoisie si fo bi ma no the piano with the mind of bridging the gap between the poor no ensi da because I'm free a crabby asina me ba opoku area ma benye schoolmate
osa akola na
ma benye sikani bi ba o ye schoolmate adachi ahokyere bi ba obetima aboa me
agoda akola no
asante baby a ofiri a oba pogoare
ami free hin
so wo si na ofiri akura se nyo na ka kire
o si na mi free hin nyo na wo ka se atwema me twa me JHS e ofufu Barakesi fufu sabre na e hot say na hot say na ma intimi masem
asante no wa bin o
intimi masem
se baby a ofiri no ni se ma wo ba
ensa tam no nya de no e grade ne ya sesa
very good
e yemfa ho se
de to asante
na se de nhihye bi to se be ya sa problem no emma bim
ka wo se ka no be to asemu
it makes sense aban se wantimi antum because e ka gu ho 2 world price now with the year projection no dollar no so yen the na stronger enti ama
a BTA
enti the economy say for now na afei ya twen emre bi a John Mahama edu salary negotiation what happened
onu akotenam
ka say we de mesrem adabraka yenye ni say yenye say aye kasa we say the point is that say well nobody would understand. It defies common logic. Say, market share 1,000 misu. Osemete about 800. The answer is because she can't ho.
But is it a similar scenario?
That's a similar scenario.
Oh wow.
A cocoa farmer no projecting is saying non expectation can be 6,000. One yet about 3,000 some two muka crabin a mano. Chianaka unyan chia. Ye change so baba can nyansa samachena was a matesu because well but just a double stories. Sa sabin sem hunu na MPP aban ye bi ane ka chomo muntin enu bi oko Facebook enu bi no wan say the semantics the world market price the dollar exchange rate the one me what say catch the politician omunsia de o omunsia de na you see Jamahama we need to take the toughest decision. Enti Akufo-Addo the new Jimmy.
Oh, they won't cast.
See, we need to tell politicians. School bear no makwa School bear no makwa
The level no level.
What you say? President John Mahama PhD. The master's yes. So let them not behave as if say they are superhumans. And then yeah now fi problem eba no. And yen betimi politicians.
It's true.
Sabi who wo nim de bebre chan crofobia omuye ministers ne DCEs. Ayadom. Let them not behave as if say
they are demigods.
They are demigods said yentimi koma sem na or your president today you superhuman. Enu bi no mo ya ye kan yo menti afi de Akufo-Addo ekotefa so a ene. And this is the danger. They be catch all 400 prophets. You see, right now, foot soldiers now mono, omutinka, omuhinenka no. Woman defend something na. Do you know the number of families that they are involved in cocoa? You don't understand it.
But who be message akwadwo was say e kan musa no. Ono ko akwaje bosion ni projection dey say the na dada no. Says can dey be bama na.
They don't have, you see,
what is
you see when MPP a debt exchange program
affect him
people, you see, politicians underestimate the anger. Politicians but say because they have people defending them no what you want say but they are silent people, they don't talk.
Yes.
And no be na me say me dey be catch MPP for no. When you are doing this nonsense, nobody will tell you. Your foot soldiers and your supporters will be hailing you. And you see, I am not the M and say, I catch a phone and no person much say because say omunim kakrenti omudominyan say babete so mu would the woka wa Jimmy. Another name before no. The idea say woka koko asem no. What Jimmy unim the woka na den you are hollow. Mimi a hollow.
We are shallow. Dear
Maybe a hollow
because all criticize a decision from government.
But you see,
they
don't get it. And so you see, and I'm so glad they say me papa or say chairman Sakan BB.
Okay.
Or say, see, I can't people for you now, Boma.
Yeah, I'll say by 48.
What the name Timin Drew say about the floating voters
and the
Winiaba.
That's true.
Makacho say MPP, NDC, Omuni 44% to the floating voters. Women decide who becomes the president. And we will speak to the floating voters.
Yeah.
We will speak to the float and entrench MPP near
this. Somebody they look at issues with political
exactly. Even with MPP for Chromia and Trench, we were able to convince them.
Yeah, that's true.
in Ashanti region. We were able to convince them, say, John Mahama is better than Nana Akufo-Addo. Yeah. So you don't come in and say all these things.
But you ask what but you see the issue is that
every time I'm a bufu. And then John Mahama Chechi. And then what Chechi? Basia bro, you see, I've been talking for 8 years.
And I change Abba.
So I do not want to go back talking about the same thing. Do they know the effect on our health?
Yeah.
People don't understand the effect. And your man, you move be komu, you komu, you or cry be mad. But because we love Ghana so much, ne dru be no, na ye yare because of Akufo-Addo. You be sorry ni akuma ye ya. Me na me ni akuma yare. Akufo-Addo nti me nya akuma yare. So we don't want a situation where you be sa be sha se ni ekikam. No.
But don't you think that I mean, relaxing.
Relaxing.
Viewers, subscribers, mumpe in Subi and Yunami Fangu, dog, Akumas, dog, no. Don't you think, say, yeah, Nema Basa in the past, but it is time we swallow the bitter pill by maybe taking the tough decisions, which will, in the long run, inure to the benefit of the Ghanaian people. But for now,
Akufo-Addo take his tough decision, no, affecting no. This exchange, no, but I'm saying, say, Akufo-Addo, tough decisions. So NDC has benefited from those DDEP. Okay. True or false? Yeah, these are the facts.
It's true.
But they did not say it was a necessary evil.
Yeah, that's true.
And NDC for Kebimano. They said he was wicked.
Yeah.
Akufo-Addo, they said he was wicked. Yemumbi were affected.
Yeah.
Although he was, the Oye now koye so what do I say? A drew maybe when certain taxes in I say for a buy, it's not what this in bottom. Taxes, Akufo-Addo see edition bottom. And yes, a campaign against him. It's now names a cocoa sector, no. Mama beto ka mujaka.
And MPP beto you.
And MPP beto you know you mudia. No majabi because a kabu a legacy.
Yeah, beto muza.
A legacy where muke musu majaka. Because some 4 years in Bebano. Mo de ka and a beto aso.
I see. Let's be a cow.
A cat. Yeah, when you maybe ha a cat.
Let Mamma me and fat politics ma doing because cocoa dear affect you be out.
At the end, no.